kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will attempt to do a math concept in 5 minutes or less. So today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about the place value. Every digit inside of the number has a particular value. And wherever that digit is inside of the number determines how much of a value it has. Like, for instance, we have a couple of numbers here. We have the 3 and the 2. So this is 32. And this means that the 3 is in the tens place and the 2 is in the ones place, because normally we can also have just 2 and that would just be in the ones place. But we've added 3, which is tens. Now, if I had another digit I could put up there, I could easily make that 132. But we're not going to work with hundreds today, boys and girls. We're just going to stick with tens and ones today, okay? So, as you see here, we have 2 little blocks there because that represents my ones. I have 2 of those. And for the 3s, I have 3 sets of 10. 1, 2, 3. That makes 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens equals 30. Plus my 2 ones is 32, right? That's right. Now I can do this totally differently too. I can change my number where this can be a 1, so that's 12, isn't it? But I want to add another number there. So I'm going to add 14. Now I change my values here. Now I only have 1 10. Whoops, so these have to go. Wow! Wow! So those have to go, right? So now I only have 1 set of 10s. I don't have 3 sets anymore, but I still have 4 ones. Do I have 4 ones right there, boys and girls? No, I don't. I've got to add some more of the ones. See, I had 10 ones over there, didn't I? So I can add 1 and 2 more. Now, my value for my 1 is only 10, so I have only 1 set of 10s. And my value for my ones, did I say that wrong? My value for it's in my tens place is 1. So I only have 1 set of 10s. My value in my ones place is 4. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's changed a lot, hasn't it? So I don't have as many 10s, but I have more ones. And I can do that all day long with place values. But parents, I want you to do something. There's a wonderful activity that you can do at home to help your child learn about place values. And here it is. Now, we copied this wonderful, beautiful little page here from the internet, but you don't have to do that. You can just put 10s on one side of your page and ones on the other side. Now, if you want to go into the hundreds, once they get the 10s and ones, you can do that. You can divide your paper into 3 sections. But we only have 10s and ones today. So I have cards that have different values on them. And these have, you can see that they have different values. I have 70, I have 1. You can do this to as large of numbers as you want to, or you can print out as small of numbers as you want to. If you just want to start with ones, place values, you can do that too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of my 10s on just a regular pipe cleaner, and I'm just using regular fun kind of beads. These are all of my ones, so I can count these and put these into my tens place. So the first number I'm going to choose is the number 11, a 1 and a 1. 1 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. So the first thing I want to do is I definitely want to work with my ones, right? So these are my ones. I only have 1 of those, right? So I only have 1 set of 10s. So what I'm going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to count 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I only have 1 set of 10s. That's my 10. So I have to lay that on my tens, and I have 1, 1. So what I have just created with my beads is the number 11. 1 10 and 1 1. And you can do that with so many different numbers. There's 70, there's 55, there is 8. You can do it with just ones too. But this is a fun activity that you can do with your child together and to help them with their place values. Now, I love pictures. You guys know I love to watch what my friends are doing. So please send me pictures, and you can do that at WKNO teacher@gmail.com, and I will get them. And guess what? I'll respond to you and just say hello. I'm so excited about what you're doing. I also want you to go to our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org, and there you will find more activities about place values, many that may be similar to this, but there's so many. There's worksheets, there's music, there's videos, there's so much to learn about place values and other factors in math as well. But you can start here with place values. Just put it into the search, okay? All right. Well, thank you for being here with me today, and thank you, International Paper Foundation, for making this wonderful Math Minutes. It's just so important to have you a part of our team, International Paper Foundation. And until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.